the Python contain the lightweight database. Okay, so that database is called as a SQL Lite database. Through this database, we can perform the data insertion, updation, and deletion. Okay, just a wait. Just a minute. पूरा रखी दीजिए. For connecting the database in Python, we're using SQLite 3.connect. SQLite 3.connect, then database name, then timeout or other argument. This API open the connection. Yes. Sir, देखो, so SQL connect the API, open the connection of the SQLite database, and you can use the memory to open the database connection to the database, that it reside in the RAM instead of the disk. If the database is opened successfully, then it return the connection object. When the database is accessed by the um, multiple connection and one of the process modify the database, in the SQL database is logged until the transaction is committed. Okay, it means what? When you are doing one transaction, suppose I want when I inserting a record, at that time if anyone want to update the same record, your database is logged at that time. So that is the work of SQLite 3 Connect. Okay, so Gibson heading SQLite 3. Lite 3 is a lightweight database. Okay, so Gibson heading SQLite 3 connection. This API opens, you just write SQLite 3 dot connect. এটা লেখা SQLite 3 dot connect, then bracket start bracket end, bas. This API open the connection to the SQLite database. And it is used to open a database connection. It is used to open a database connection to a database that resides in RAM, instead of disk. Okay, so next you write the default timeout is 5 seconds. Default timeout means, first you write the default timeout is 5 seconds. Then I describe what is the purpose of this one. Default timeout means if you are connecting to the database and it is not connected much more longer period of time, so that it is called as what I can say, it is a default connection. माने हमें database सहित connected हवा आमे 5 सेकंड जाय किसी काम करिवनी ताले हमर database रा ऑटोमेटिक क्लोज हे जिवो. तापर आउ गोटे मेथड अछि connection dot cursor. This one connection dot cursor. This routine create a cursor which will be used throughout the database, which will be used throughout the database. This method accept a single parameter. This method accept the single parameter of cursor class. Then you can ask the question, what is the work of this cursor? The cursor actually kama karo. Now cursor is a instance which is used. You can invoke the method that execute the SQLite statement. माने हमर SQL statement जो insert update delete command अछि ताको execute करिया पई हमें SQLite command use करूछे. Okay, so right, cursor class is an instance cursor class is an instance using which we can invoke the method huh? We can invoke a method that execute SQLite statement. Then you can write connection dot execute. Execute means for you can say like In a programming language word, you can say it is a compilation. It's just like that. If you want to execute any SQL statement or process any SQL statement, execute method is used. Okay, so right, it is used to execute the SQL statement. Then you can write execute many. Execute many means it is used to execute all the statement, right? Execute many is used to execute many SQL statement. Then write cursor dot execute many. Cursor dot execute many it is used to execute all SQL command. It is used to execute all SQL command against all parameter sequence. Then connection dot execute many. Okay. Connection dot execute many means this one, connection dot execute many. It is a shortcut method that create a intermediate cursor by calling the cursor method. Then the cursor execute many method with the parameter given. Okay, so it is a intermediate method between a cursor. Okay, so right. It create a intermediate cursor object by calling the cursor method. It create a intermediate cursor object by calling the cursor method. Then connection dot total underscore changes, this one, connection dot total underscore changes means it is retrieve the total number of row that is affected. Okay, and there is a two method we're using. One is commit, another is rollback. Commit means if you want to make changes permanently, if you want to make changes, make any information changes as permanent, commit is used. Once जब हमें commit लिखिदेवा, that means आमे ताको undo करि परिबानी बा previous action को आमे फेरी आस परिबा नाही. जदि हमें यूज करूचे कोन ना commit, rollback यूज कले हमें previous action को फेरी आसीबो. That we can perform the undo option. The commit रे हमें करि परिबा नाही. So right, connection dot commit the connection dot commit, this method commit the transaction, and if you do not call this method, anything that you make as permanent, it is not happening. तापर rollback करे देखा, it redo the operation that already in modified in a table. रोल बैक है मैं जहाँ भी इंसर्ट अपडेट करते हो सेटा बैक है आसी जीवो एंड हमें कमिट कले सेटा परमानेंट है जीवो तब नेक्स्ट होची क्लोज मेथड इफ यू वांट टू मेक योर कनेक्शन क्लोज मोर डेटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी हो गला then I want to close the operation, then close method is used. Okay, so right, close method is used to close a connection to the database. तापर होची fetch one is used to retrieve only one record. Fetch one is used to retrieve only one record. Then fetch many, it is used to fetch many record at once. Then fetch all, retrieve all the records. It retrieve all the records from the table. So these are all the syntax or function that we are using while we are creating or connecting to the database. Okay, so next class रे ये फंक्शन को यूज करके केमते हमें टेबल बनेबा डेटाबेस बनेबा डेटा केमते इंसर्ट करबा एटा सिखिबा ठीक है चलो
सर ଟିକେ ଉପରକୁ जो कनेक्शन थिला क्लोज थिला क्लोज सर जो लास्ट लाइन আছে কোন জেলানি if you just close a database connection without calling commit first your changes will be lost
हाँ कमिट टा हमें कौन होजे हमें जितना डाटाटा इंसर्ट करूचे हमें कमिट लिखिले जहाँ भी हमारा डेटा अच्छे सेटा परमानेंटली चेंजेस हबो आ जदि
ये सर सेटा जानि
कमिट न करी जितना हमें क्लोज कर दबा ता माने कौन हबो हमर डेटाबेस जो चेंजेस टा जे परमानेंट हबनी हमको आउट रे इंसर्ट करिया पड़िबो
अच्छा
बुझिला
ओके सर यस
ठीक है